Here you can see Ben made $406, Mentor Rahim made $132, Elise made $31.25, Evans made $752, and she has made $9,422 just with $7 product. This is the OLSP $7 system. This is one-time payment for life. You will get one mega link which will promote 7 different products and you will get 7 different types of income streams. Megalink is simplified to promote. You don't need to worry about links and products. It will do everything for you. It will generate automatic sales and recurring commissions. In this $7 system, you will get 100% of $7 income, which means only one referral can recover all of your investment. And this system will pay you recurring commissions, cash bonuses, and you will build a team in this system which will maximize your income. This site is called OLSP system. Here you can see my mega link. I have generated $40 of commission in last 24 hours, and here you can see over 1400 people have generated commissions within 24 hours. When you join through the link in the description, you will get both of these products absolutely for free. There are multiple products in these systems which are not necessary or compulsory to purchase. You just need to invest $7 to start with the system, and you can buy traffic straight from the system. But I haven't bought any traffic in this system. I'm using free traffic method to generate commissions. Here you can see my commission. I have made $96 of total commission. And to join this system, you just have to click of the first link in the description and you will redirect to this page where you put your best email address and click send me my login details. Here you can see the video sales page. You can watch this video and read all the information below, and you have to pay just $7 to join these systems. You are getting 87% off when you join through the link in the description.